Hey, this is my Luna app review. This is a product launch from the popular product launch vendor known as Billy Darr, who has a good track record of delivering these social media AI type apps. Astro app and the Fusion app are other recent popular launches. So we're going to take in Luna app and see how this differs from the previous launches, about what you get, what I like the look of, and what I don't like the look of with Luna. My name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit. I earn a full-time income on the internet with affiliate marketing, very much focused on the strategies of traffic generation and list building. I've been doing this at home for over 10 years, which is really cool. So hopefully all that experience will help you out as you look at the latest trend of these AI app launches and as we dive into this Luna app review. If you want to discover my number one recommended system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below, click that link in the video description for my number one recommended online system. It's a complete done for you system and a really cool way to get going, getting your own traffic, building your own list, and building up that realistic income on the internet. So click the link below for my number one recommended online system. So Luna app, basically, these apps are quite popular because they use very simple, catchy names and they're focused on the whole AI social media trend. So just going to take a look at some of the other launches that have recently come out from the same vendor. The last one, or one of the most recent ones, was Astro app, and the hook for this was that it was using some sort of Google version of AI, and then you've got a members area where you're hooking up to the API of various different social media platforms, and you're creating the posts with AI and the hashtags, and then posting it from within the software connecting to the API. That was Astro app, and then another really popular one is the Fusion app, and this was branded towards the Instagram Threads platform, which is a new meta platform. It's almost Instagram's own version of Twitter, and again, it did the same task. Inside the members area, you've got software to create AI images, AI text, and hashtags, and then you can actually post directly from the members area to Instagram Threads. You've got a separate image editor software in there, and you've got social media sharing options, and that was the Fusion app. So Luna app is essentially it's these apps are slightly rebranded versions of the same type of software, just with different branding on the front end, slightly different training, slightly different approach. So the focus on Luna is Twitter. So inside the members area, you're going to be able to connect your Twitter account, and you can hook up to the Twitter API to actually make the posts within Luna app itself, and then they will give you a separate ChatGPT style function where you can actually give prompts and say what niche you're in, say what type of post you want, and it will use AI to create you an image to put with the post, and then text, Twitter-based text, and then you can choose some hashtags to add to it as well. So the Luna app will be specifically programmed to create short and catchy text-based posts that are suitable for Twitter. So basically the AI is pre-programmed for short-form social media content, and they do quite a good job in terms of using emojis and making it engaging and short and catchy and light-hearted. So it does seem to be better from what I've taken a look at in terms of the text-based content compared to a generic SEO article writing tool, for example. Some of the images, when I took a look at the Fusion app, because it's basically same sort of approach, is I wasn't that keen on the images, but I was keen on the text. So they give you very generic images with the AI image creation. Sometimes they don't particularly match up very well with the text or what you're trying to achieve as a whole. But you can create some fun, engaging images with it. For example, these are quite engaging, fun images, so you could use that as the caption. It's just sometimes they weren't very specific enough or that relevant to the prompt. But it basically does it all for you. You can do the image, you can do the text, and then you can do the hashtags and post that content from within the members area. They've also got a separate editor tool. It's almost set out like canva.com, and you can use that to edit the images. Here it just looks like this. You can edit the images. It's quite a cool thing for creating thumbnail, Instagram posts, Pinterest pins. So you've got this graphical image editor as well, where you can edit images that you may want to use as part of your posts as well. So that's a feature that's popular with these type of product launches. So basically, it's set out in the same sort of way as Fusion app, where on the left-hand side you've got the various different integrations, where Fusion was focused on the integration with the Meta app. The Luna app is going to be focused on integrating with Twitter. So you'll connect to your Twitter account to the Twitter API, and then you'll use these ChatGPT powered tools here, where previously they're focusing on Instagram. It's basically the same sort of thing. It creates images, text, and hashtags using the same software, but this one, the intention is to use it to post it on Twitter, when previously it was on Instagram, and this one was a variety of different tools, I believe including Instagram Reels and other platforms. Luna is focused on Twitter. So it's kind of like a rebranded version of the same sort of app, does the same sort of task, but it's focused on Twitter. Another thing is you can actually learn a lot from these type of sales pages, because these are often top ranked on the Warrior Plus platform in terms of affiliate sales and commissions and the number of sales the product generates. And the key ingredients that make this type of sales page work is the very catchy product name. It's just normally just one word and a catchy logo. And then they've got a nice branded hook capitalizing on the AI trend and a popular social media platform. So most typical beginners have heard of AI, they know it's a buzzword, and they've heard of these various different social media platforms, and he does a very good job of capitalizing on the buzz and trend of trending topics, trending platforms, and the trending AI ChatGPT buzz. Another thing that works well with this sales page is the scarcity countdown timer, a discount for the launch, and also the blind ad copy. They don't actually reveal too much about how this software works on the sales page, which increases engagement, and it makes people want to buy the software just to see how it works and discover what the secret is. So if you are an affiliate marketer or a product vendor, you can actually learn a lot just by observing the sales process in this sales page. And with a lot of these product launches, I get the impression the people making the most money from it are not necessarily the people using the software, although that can definitely help with your social media marketing, but it's more people who already have a big email list. They'll be grabbing their affiliate link and then sending out emails on a consistent basis over the launch and getting commissions as people go through the Luna sales funnel or these other popular apps. So my recommendation as you approach your internet marketing is definitely explore AI and these social media posting tools, but stay focused on list building, because that's what works. When you're building an email list, you can grab your link to any of these offers, these high converting sales pages, and send out emails, and then you'll have regular consistent commissions coming in. So think more from the point of view as someone selling products as an affiliate rather than someone who's always buying the products. And that's a really cool approach, which I have found helpful with my internet marketing. So in summary of my Luna app review, it's a useful tool for creating AI social media content, and they have various API integrations. It's basically a rebranded version of the same app, but with different integrations on the back end. And even if you've already purchased some of these other apps before, this one focuses on using it with Twitter. So I think it's a cool software tool, just some unrealistic expectations with some of the screenshots on the sales page. If you want to discover my recommended list building and affiliate marketing approach, which I've been earning a full-time income online with for over 10 years, then click the link below, click that link in the video description. It's my #1 recommended online system. It's a complete done-for-you system and an excellent way to get going, getting your own traffic, your own email list, and building up that realistic income online. So click the link below for my top recommended system. Thanks again for checking out my thoughts on the Luna app. All the best, guys, and speak soon.